Taught by fully certified specialists, this course will teach you all about COBIT 2019's approach to information and technology and enterprise governance. Following an introduction, you'll move on to the models, concepts, and key definitions that define the world-renowned framework. You'll also learn about the recent updates to the COBIT framework and what makes COBIT 2019 so well suited to minimizing risks, maximizing resources, and constantly creating value with expertly designed governance systems. Once you begin training, you'll have 6 months access, and this course is fully accredited. Our courses are not only mobile and tablet responsive, but they can also work offline via a mobile app, which means you can study on the go wherever you are. We specialize in presenter-led content. An instructor will guide you through the course and provide expert narration, and animated videos help to break down key topics. Learning tips are included to help you to remember key points that will appear on exams, and we also provide downloadable exercises throughout the course. Practice exams are available for when you finish the course, and this course also includes a free exam voucher. You'll also get complimentary access to our learning environment, where you'll find statistics and reports to track your progress along the way. And don't worry, we'll be on hand with expert support for when you need help, so contact us anytime. Want to find out more? Try a free trial or speak to a member of the team today.